Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a unboxing and first impression of my, is this the March box? Of the March BoxyCharm box. It's gonna happen in today's video. I do have other makeup here just in case. I don't know what's in it at all. I didn't see any sneak peeks or anything, so this is gonna be a bit of a surprise. Before we start the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and leave any questions, concerns, quandaries, inquiries down below in the comment section. And if you do not know who I am or what's going on, my name is Cookie. If you enjoy my content, please hit that subscribe button so you are a part of the Cookie fam, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. And let's start this BoxyCharm unboxing. What I love about BoxyCharm is just like, hello charmers, and then boom, product. So like I said, I don't know what's in here at all. Oh, ooh, okay, so we have these Tony Moly face masks. You have a cactus face mask. As I was saying, the first thing were these Tony Moly did I say that right? Yeah, Tony Moly sheet mask. The first one is this purifying cactus face mask. The next one is a calming hemp face mask, and the last one is a lotus face mask, which is for illumination. I'm excited to try these. I love a good face mask. So next in here is these Hank and Henry beauty sponges. You have a foundation sponge in a mini, so I'm actually going to use these for my makeup today. I did buy, where'd it go? I did buy this guy. This is a, oh, I'm going to say it wrong. I'm going to say the brand wrong. It's John, where's the packaging though? Lost it. How did I lose it? I haven't went anywhere. So I got these Japonesque, I think, beauty sponges when I ran to Walmart today. I was going to use them, but I guess I will use the Hank and Henry's really quickly, or maybe I'll use the Hank and Henry's for another video since I already wet this one. Also the Professional Hydrate Primer. We'll try this today. Usually I don't reach for hydrating primers, I usually reach for matte primers, but I will give this a go. And there is also an iconic London lips, what is this? Plumping gloss in the shade Peekaboo. It's really pretty. It will match my lipstick today. And then, last but not least, there is this Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. Pretty. I love that color right there. The Daybreak is everything that's in the palette. I'm going to pretty much use everything except for these guys since I already wet my beauty sponge. So I will just add that to my collection. And I'm going to go in with the Professional Hydrate Primer by Benefit. Like I said earlier, I don't really reach for hydrating primers, and I can't remember if I liked the Professional, but I guess we'll give it a go. It does look like the regular Professional primer, like the original Professional, and I'm just going to back that on. It smells kind of, how does it smell? Like, it's not, doesn't smell bad, but it also doesn't smell chemically, if that makes sense. I don't really feel the hydration, and my hands are clean also. I don't feel like it really hydrated my face. Pore wise, we'll see as I put my makeup on. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows really quickly. I'm going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Dark Brown. Okay, my eyebrows are on. Not the best. I really need to go get my eyebrows done because I tried to wax them myself since we were stuck in quarantine. Like, they didn't turn out bad, but they also didn't turn out good. You conceal under my eyebrows and prime my eyes. Did I pull out a concealer? I think the Kosas concealer to kind of clean up my eyebrows a little bit. Just don't know how much I can clean them up with the job I did on them, but we're gonna try. Let's have a mirror in it. Ooh, I have a dirty mirror. I'm just gonna use the same concealer to prime my eyeballs. Does anyone else like say shit so randomly? Can I say shit on YouTube? Whatever, I said it. And pick up the Ace Beauty palette, and I'm going to take this fluffy brush right here. You can't see it, but it's right here. And I'm just going to go in with the shade that called my name when I first opened the palette, which is Daybreak, which is right there. It is a nice yellow. And I'm just going to pop that into my crease. Good start. I feel like this eye has a little more concealer on than this eye, but whatever. I did that. And we're going to live with it. And then I'm just going to pick up the shade Grand Canyon. Yeah, I'm going to pick up the shade Grand Canyon on this Morphe M139 brush. And I'm going to pack that on the outside of my... I'm going to follow that into the crease a little bit. Like that. The shade seems to be a little more... what's the word? Fallouty. That's not the word. A little bit more fallout in the pan, but it's not that big of a deal to me. I do just like to mention that just in case, like, if people don't like fallout. And then I'm just gonna pick up that other brush that has Daybreak on it and just buff around. Does anyone, okay, if anyone's on TikTok, by the way, follow me on TikTok if you're not. Does anyone else just like get random TikTok songs stuck in your head? Like, I'm always singing some random song. I have the shade Sun, by the way. If you guys see the purple, I just used a dirty brush. So I'm gonna put that down and go in with my finger. Ooh. Can y'all see that? Let me just, can y'all see that? I'm not crazy about the metallics right off the back. Like, it seems kind of, I don't know how to describe it. It's like, it has the metallic, but I really had to dig in the pan to get it, and it kind of feels like it's a little flaky and a little chunky. Insert swatches, by the way, of the of everything. I can't, it's just like that first application was not it for me, and the more I pack it on, it seems to, oh god, can you guys see that? The more I pack it on, it's seeming a little bunch up right where at with the eyes. First impression wise, I'm not crazy about the metallics or like the shimmer metallics in this palette, but the mattes I like. After I did my eye makeup, but I'm just gonna pick up this brush that I usually use for powder and just swipe, or try to swipe any of the fallout. I'm not too in love with this palette, but I am gonna hold on to it and use it again just because it may be the way I laid on my my concealer. I'm gonna take a little bit of this green color. I want to take this green and kind of, this is probably gonna ruin it, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I'm gonna just run it like that, a little bit on my lash line. I want to put on some eyeliner. I picked up these Maybelline Tattoo Studio liners. They're pencil liners, and I've been looking for a pencil eyeliner, and I've seen these, so I thought I would give them a try. This is the shade Deep Onyx, and I also have the shade Bold Brown. Should I? Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the darker shade, and I'm just going to put that. Oh, that's so creamy. Ooh. Going in with mascara now. I am using the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara by Maybelline? L'Oreal. Go ahead and go in with my foundation. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the shade 390. Going to start tap, tap, tap. Like, that primer did nothing for my skin. I kind of feel like it enhanced my pores a little bit. Ugh. Maybe this is just like an off makeup day for me. Today, I probably should not be doing makeup today, but I started. I'm gonna commit. It's like I'm not going anywhere. I can just wash it off. And I feel like it kind of enhanced everything I wanted to hide. and I don't know what to do. I don't know if it's the primer or the sponge, but this is not the foundation which I've been using for years. It's not giving me the coverage I usually get, and if I zoom you guys in, you guys can see that. But in here, it just, oh, it seems my pores are enhanced. Can you guys even see what I'm pointing at? Okay, so like over through here and where my pores are the worst, which is usually around my nose, it feels like everything is just enhanced by like 20. This is not going great at all. Concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. This is a little too light for me, but okay, not a little, a lot of too light. Oh my god. This concealer has never, ever, like, in the few times that I've used it, it just never looks like this. Like, breaking up on my nose, under my eye looks off. You guys can't even see me. Underneath my eyes look freaking awful. I'm gonna jump off camera real quick to see if I can try to salvage my makeup. There's just no saving my makeup right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. I'm going to set under my eyes using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I don't know if I used, I want to say it's the primer. Maybe I used too much primer, because this concealer never, I mean, it hasn't looked like this. Like, I've had it for about 2 or 3 weeks and it has not looked like this. And I'm just using whatever's left on in the cap of my Laura Mercier just to set my face. I'm going to go ahead and bronze using the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 300. Hopefully this turns out right. At least my bronzer looks pretty. Blush, I'm just going to use this Bella Pierre in the shade, the Mineral Blush in the shade Desert Rose. And I'm just going to take some off the top like that. And I'm going to tap it into the brush. Tap it into the lid, not the brush. And I'm just going to... This video just keeps getting worse and worse. Bad makeup day. I feel like I'm doing my makeup like I did when I was in high school. And I didn't even wear makeup in high school, but I feel like this is what my makeup would look like. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips using this Ebio Beauty Creamy Lip Liner in the shade Valerie, I think it is. Val about this lip liner, but I thought I would hold on to it because I figured it would look decent with a nude lipstick that I have. I still don't think I like this lip liner. I went with this MAC lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy and just put it on top. Why did I do this to myself? On the Iconic London Lip Plumper Lip Gloss. What is it called? Plumping Lip Gloss on top. It may be a little too pink for me, but this video is already a shit show. Let's continue. Lip gloss again. I just kind of want to see what it looks like on its own because it looks like it has like a high tint to it. Ugh. I do not like this applicator at all. This video, I'm sorry y'all have to witness this. I'm not even gonna bother to set my face or anything because honestly I'm just gonna go wipe all this off because I look a big hot mess. So let's kind of recap everything. The lip gloss I like. My lips feel very minty. Do they look plump? I think with a lip liner I will like it a little more. Face mask, I will update you guys on. I love good face masks, so I don't see the issue as why I don't like that. The palette, we saw how that went. Oh, I don't know. Again, I'm gonna hold on to everything and kind of play with it again. Maybe I used too much primer, and I don't know. I don't know. This video just was a train wreck. I am a train wreck. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me suffer, and I'm gonna go. Honestly, I'm gonna go take my makeup off. I'll see you guys in my next video. Sending you peace, love, and happiness. Bye.
I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it.